Hi everyone, welcome or welcome on back to my channel. So today I decided that I'm going to try something different that I've never tried before with my locks, and that's to wear a wig. So I have this random wig that I have in my stash, and I believe my sister gave this to me randomly because she didn't want it. So I just kept it and threw it in my hair stash. But now I'm like, since I'm trying to figure out what to do with my locks, maybe I can try putting a wig on and see what it gives and if I even like it at this point. Now, this is not the best looking wig, but for me to play in it and see, you know, maybe if I want to get into wearing wigs, because I used to wear them before I got locks and things like that. So it's been a long time since I've had a lace wig. So I just decided, let me go ahead and play in this one and show you what happens. I don't know if I mentioned that this is a 1B, so it's not the color of my hair, it's really black, and I haven't had fully black hair in a long time, so we'll see how this plays out. So she looks like she's just a wavy type of wig. This is how much lace she has. Not a lot. She does have straps here in the back, comb, the usual. I have a wig cap. I don't have like a flesh colored one. I only have black. So we're just gonna work with this one. And I don't feel like I need to braid my locks down. I feel like I can get away with just putting them back into the wig cap and this should work. But we'll see how that goes. Hold on. I may have to do this in parts. Oh my god. Hold on. I haven't done this. Can this wig cap fit me in my locks? That is the question. Hold on. Oh. Ooh. Oh my god. You don't realize how thick your locks are until you have to fit them into something pretty tight. It's on. And I feel like it's as flat as it's gonna get. Oh, can she even get over? Ooh. I feel like I'm playing Barbie doll dress up. I swear to God. Oh, she is tight on my head. Hold on. I have to loosen this a bit. I don't even need the straps. We're about to find out. Oh, that's better. Oh, okay. Alright. Oh. Okay. So far, she's looking okay, I guess. Does she look flat in the back? I feel like I have this big humongous hump, but I guess it doesn't look like that in the back. So I just need to cut the lace. Oh my god. This feels so weird. But that's what she's looking like right there. Let me try to figure out where I'm gonna part her. I mean, there's not like a lot of parting space, but I know I used to leave out like my edges. I feel like she's not as flat as I need her to be. My locks are they're kind of pulling and making this thicker than it needs to be. She is shedding like crazy. She is shedding like crazy. So I am laughing at this because I haven't seen myself with long hair, long silky hair in such a long time. And this is not what I wanted to give. So I feel like maybe I should cut her. I don't like her long like this. It doesn't, I don't know, it's just not giving me what I wanted to give. And oh my god, I feel like the back of my head feels so big. And play with her and see what I can do with her. But I definitely feel like I'm gonna cut her. Alright, so here are the results of this random wig I decided to play in on top of my locks. And I decided to put on some holiday makeup because I'm like, could Miss Cherry show up to the Christmas party? Could she show up to the Christmas party? Because, you know, she just might. I'm just really not used to seeing myself with such dark hair, so it's throwing me off. I usually don't go for straight wigs. When I used to wear them, I would always go for a curly style. So it's like I'm looking at myself like this is imposter syndrome. It's just so random for me, but let me show you the back. Sometimes you just need to see yourself in something different. Play around with different hairstyles and things like that. But this one, she's not too bad. She's not the best wig, I'm going to tell you that right now, because she sheds so much. I've lost so much hair from this wig, but I'm pretty sure it's a little cheap $7, $10 wig. I'm pretty sure she wasn't expensive. But I just, you know, I was like, let me see what she could look like on my head. And I hope it doesn't look like a big hump in the back. I feel like it does. And it is making me feel a little hot with all these locks under this wig. She wasn't giving what I wanted her to give when she was longer. I just feel like shorter, more bob styles look cuter on me. And if they are longer, they need to be a curly style for it to look cute, in my opinion. This is definitely, I feel like, a holiday look I could do. And, play the imposter with this wig on. But let me know what you think down below. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. And I thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye, guys.